catching some bay trout or juvenile salmon and fishing at the trawler wharf. The Trevally have come on the bite again. We start to catch a few, so good fun. Starting to catch a yellow eye mullet, and it's raining, and let's keep fishing. What is Rock onto here? What's this guy got? What's it feel like, bro? Feels pretty big. Yeah. Looks like a banjo shark. Yeah.
Banjo.
Yeah. Bloody banjo. Out of all the fish you can catch, your tail wraps a banjo shark.
Yeah.
Hang on. We're going to end up losing a rig here. It's raining. There's a diesel spill and these guys are mopping it up. And we're hoping to catch some more Trevally in the rain. Here's Rock on his first Trevally, I believe. Get it up. Get it up. Nice one, Rock. Your first Trevally. Hold it. Yeah, that's nice. You never caught Trevally before, now you have.
Yeah.
Yep. It's a good size too. Yeah, good nice stuff. All right, mate.
All right.
Well done. Onto a good Trevally. Keep it coming. Yep. Nice fish. Another little salmon. Gonna throw this one back. And another silver Trevally for the Rockstar.
Yeah, mate.
Here we go. Get it?
Yep.
Here's another decent Trevally with these two legends that normally. Hey, look there. That's nice. I was about to throw it back in the water, but I'll keep it. They're all right. Catching plenty of these Trevally today, and we've been releasing quite a few this size, which are way oversized, about 30 odd centimeters. The world's smallest Trevally. Grab it. Grab it. That's it.
Oh, hang on.
Throw it in. What do you got going on here? A little one. Smaller Trevally. Hold that. Just let him go. Take the hook out. Releasing plenty of this size. Catching a few rock cod and letting them go. See the whiskers on them. Rock cod. There's Elf.
Rock cod.
Yes, mate. Let him go. Got Alfie here on a Trevally using me rod. on a super light drag, because then just hold the spool and bring him in. Nice catch, Elf. You just come to say good day and you're in business again.
Right.
Thanks for catching that for me. Alright. You don't want to take that off. Hang on. Expert angler. Alright.
Go away.
Go away. Go on, just a rod. I reckon it's just a bloody banjo. You caught a banjo before, didn't you?
It is, mate. His tail's hitting really reunion. Doesn't like having a little tiny needle in his fucking lip.
You're going to get him.
Eventually, if it was breaking. We'll see that. If I don't run out of fucking line. Oh, he's got a couple.
Here's a little horse mackerel, and off he goes. Well, this is the end of day's catch, and we catch a few silver trevally. We let go quite a lot, and we lose a few, and varieties of fish from rock cod to mullet and salmon. We didn't keep any salmon, even though we caught a few, and I'd say it's a successful day's fishing, particularly land-based on the wharf. Good fishing.